Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. We clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for May 19th to the 31st. Models still indicating a tendency towards for blocking for May 19th to the 23rd. You can see we have large piles of height anomalies over the Bering Sea, the Aleutians, and we also have another area of strong positive height anomalies south of Greenland extending into eastern Canada. Models are indicating an adjustment in the configuration in the west, with a trough digging sharply into the southwest. The result will be a pronounced cooling and moistening of the atmosphere over the dry west and bring much needed rainfall and mountain snow to the northern Great Basin. Temperatures are expected to rise to above the century mark before the cooling occurs as the subtropical ridge builds northward. In the east, conditions will remain cool and unsettled in the wake of a system slowly departing the North Atlantic block. Slowly becomes part of the North Atlantic block and part of this low here that's offshore. So this is the current configuration for May 19th. We're going to look at the period now for the 19th to the 23rd, which we just did. Okay, now we're going to go through the period from May 22nd to 26th. Going to go to the 26th. You can still see that the models still have our large area height anomalies and their position. Here's our upper low departing, indicating a blocky pattern. Here's another area below normal heights out in the East Pacific. So a ridge is forecast over the west with a trough in the east. And this is the GFS at the start of the period. This is the European terministics. And this is the European ensembles, all showing some degree of positive height anomalies here in the west. And we have a trough here in the east. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting as soon as it loads it, above normal temperatures for this region and below normal temperatures for this area for precipitation. Forecasting two areas of below normal precipitation. One would be across this area here, so I guess the rainfall and everything is going to be short-lived because it'll still be below normal here and across the southeast. Now, for the period for May 27th to 31st, models indicate very little change. The models maintain the deep positive height anomalies. So let me go to the maps. And we're going to go to the 27th. And you can still see we have, we're going to go to the 27th and it just jumped. You can still see we have our large positive height anomalies here and here. However, the European ensembles are weaker with the positive height anomalies. That's about the only change. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here and for this region, and for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this area and above normal precipitation for this region here. So that is a long range weather forecast discussion for May 19th to the 31st. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather and have a good day.